I wish I can zoom in there and so y'all can see what that bird's nest. Look at there. The bird that made a nest inside of the birdhouse that the community made. Wow. Oh, that's so amazing. That's so amazing. There's some birds in there. Y'all just seen it. They chilling. Let me stop. I put the flash on them just so y'all can see. I can't even see them in the dark really. Oh my gosh. I can still see them now that I'm putting my light on them from way back here. Oh wow. Sleep tight. Pardon self. Give thanks and gratitude for y'all presence. Ashe.